Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new trade-in for us, a 2020 Harris 230 Solstice, 250 horsepower, water sports tower, and just over 100 hours, 114 hours, I believe, at the time of filming this video. So check it out. All right, so 230 Solstice. This one was ordered with the Cordova, the fabric seats, instead of vinyl. If you got dogs or pets to go out with you on the boat that like to jump up on the seats, this may be the stuff that you like. It's really, really durable. Super easy to clean also. So the big hot JL audio system in this one. So JL tower cans, 2 subwoofers, 4 amplifiers, and JL speakers throughout. Full LED lighting package, so LED lights in your cup holders, seat bases, speakers, tower, under the water on the very back, and under the rub rail all the way around. Raised helm, 9-inch Simrad, and again, 114 hours at the time of filming this. SL floor plan, so you got your L bench on the side as well as flip-flop backrest. So if you're pulling kids on the tubes or skis, you can flip it this way, or you can also remove this seat, flip it down flat to make a full bed. 250 horsepower Mercury, telescoping ladder, stern safety fencing, which is awesome. So just so you know, if you don't have any type of stern safety fencing around the back of the boat, it's not legal to ride back here, sit back here while the boat is moving. Wireless cell phone charger here at the helm, and of course digital throttle because it is a 250 horsepower Mercury. This one comes with its own glasses. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.